open the PDF below for more information. I gotta go tell the rest of the girls. So guys, Debbie has another challenge for us. What do you think? We have to go to a thrift store and pick out, but we don't have time. What are you talking about? We don't have time. We just have to go to a thrift store and pick out something with a holiday vibe. It doesn't really matter if you're tired or not. You're just gonna do it. So just do it. But guys, we really enjoyed the last challenge. So I think we should do it. Well, we have to use the new colors anyway, so might as well.
Hey there, it's Jenny getting all warmed up to go to the thrift store to pick out a couple of things with a holiday vibe for the new DIY paint colors. You are going to love these colors. While I don't have time to get out and shop at the thrift store like I used to, like I want to, I joined this challenge because I needed a kick in the rear. I found a couple of things with a holiday vibe, but they weren't my style, but I did find a couple other things for really cheap that I could flip and make some money on. I am going to use the new electrified color on this little side table that I got at the thrift store for $5. It was a little wobbly, so it was super cheap. Just what I like. I cleaned it, I gave it a quick little scuff sand, and then I put on 2 sloppy coats of electrified. After that was completely dry, I then came back with a baby wipe and wet distressed it. It is that easy to wet distress DIY paint. And then I gave it a clear coat, and it was done. Easy peasy. Next up is Walk on Water, which is this beautiful teal blue-green color. And I am putting it on a little box that I got at the thrift store. It has a little velvet lining in it and like a crackle finish. So it has some texture already. And then after that was dry, I came back in with the electrified. A little bit of paint and a whole bunch of water, and you get this cool watercolor effect to it. It's a finish that I love to use, and I have a longer YouTube video on my channel for you to watch if you'd like to learn more. After this is completely dry, I gave it a clear coat too, and it was done. So easy. So the specs for this challenge said 2 projects. It also said holiday themed. So what I did have, since I didn't find anything from the thrift store, I did have cream colored natural bristle bottle brush trees that I had gotten at the thrift store like last Christmas and packed away and forgot about. So I took those and I painted each one in the new color, and then I made a display box for them to go into so they could be my little sample board of the new colors. Plus, it's holiday themed, people. So I kind of followed the directions. Speaking of following directions, I read the directions like 3 weeks ago and then lost the directions and then decided to finally print them again this morning, the day before the challenge is due, of course. Apparently one woodworking project was not enough and I dove into another one. These are either picture holders or Christmas card holders. These would also be great placeholders if you're having a dinner party. They are 3x3 oak blocks. You don't need oak, but that's what I had. Some reclaimed lumber. And I used a 3/8 dowel. I drilled a hole, glued the dowel inside the block, and then I painted them and painted a little clothespin that I will glue to the top of the dowel that will hold the picture or card or what have you. You can have them on your desk, on your mantle. I'm going to apply some transfers to some after I clear coat the paint. The transfers go on super easy. It's a instant gratification kind of a project. This one I'm using an Iron Orchid Designs toile transfer on, but these would be great for any of the transfers and would be a great gift to give to anyone. While there were clear specs for this challenge, I can't say I fully succeeded in this challenge because I don't have time. I mean, it always comes back to I'm running out of time. There's not enough hours in the day. Make sure you go watch the other DIY paint retailer pages for their challenge videos and see what kind of challenges they are facing. November 30th, come shop with us for Small Business Saturday. Sales throughout the store and a free make and take from 1 to 3 p.m. We'll see you soon.